Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about how you can replace image from the graphics like icon in Canva. So let's start the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here I am on my Canva. So let me insert one graphic. So I just search for icon, and here you can see the graphics. So we have lots of graphic here. Okay, so I choose one. Okay, I choose this one. Okay, so this is graphic, not image. Okay, if you are using the frame, then you can simply replace your image, but in graphic I will show you the best way. Just insert the graphic, select your graphic like this, go to the edit, and under the magic studio, here we need to select magic graph. Okay, now select the brush, and you can increase decrease that brush like size as per your elements. And now select that image which you want to replace. So this is icon I want to replace with the image. Okay, I just now just click on grab. You need to select this properly, and then click on grab. Now this icon has been extracted. Now you can remove it. Okay, you just remove it and place there another image like this. Okay, or you can upload your own image from here. After upload, you can see your images. You can put here like this. Just detach. Okay, do one thing. Let me undo. Okay, hit the control key and just select that. You have to hit the control key, hold it, and click on it. Then image will be insert. Now you can resize it like this. Okay. Okay. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.